Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So this vlog I'm very excited. I'm already telling you that because it is my birthday vlog. Of course I turned 34th and has to be, pretty different, something different that and actually it did happen. Something that I was always wanting to, desire or always wanting to have. One luxury bag that I got, the most wanting brand that I've always wanted, I got one. And how and what happened, everything that I shot, I have a little clip that I'm going to show you now. But I am telling you this already that the birthday I wanted to keep it very private, so it's not gonna be a very lengthy vlog or anything of every detailed going to be shot in this video. But what you're going to see is a little of everything that I did, and I want to actually wanted to share with you guys so that you also know what I did on my birthday, how special I was made it feel that day. And there are very few people who are very important in my life, so I wanted to celebrate my birthday and keep it very private. So they are the only people who really mean a lot. They were there are few friends who could not make it up for my birthday. They were not there in Delhi, so they are not part of the vlog. But anyways, those are the one. They know who are those and how important they are. They are also very important and equally special for my life. So I want to thank everybody who were there and made it so special for me. And let's watch the vlog now. I'm very excited. I hope you all like it, and do give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. That would mean a lot to me.
Make a wish and blow. Birthday to you.
हाँ चेहरे डील कराया है।
बहुत महंगे हैं। अच्छा ठीक है रणवीर लुक है
हैप्पी बर्थडे नहीं बोला। तुम्हें हैप्पी बर्थडे कॉल आ गई। कौन है?
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू। अब ये बैग केक नहीं भैया, अब ये बैग नहीं चाहिए ना।
वीडियो तो बना ले उससे फोन से। वीडियो बना लूं? हाँ।
अब ये केक वाली बैग नहीं चाहिए ना। और गिफ्ट दिखा तो आई जस्ट ब्रॉट इट एंड केप्ट इट हियर।
I always like, मतलब मेरा इतने सालों का ड्रीम था ये बैग। मतलब पता नहीं कितने सालों का, मैं फ्लाइंग में तो अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाई। क्या थैंक यू।
चलो भाई।
Manish out of the bed and just leave the bag.
Please light the candle.
Lighter, who has a lighter?
Thank you. And this is our second year together. Second year. My date, second year, and many more to come. I literally received such beautiful gifts on my birthday, by all my friends, especially Tanushri for this. Thanks so much for this bracelet and the bag that I got from Neha, and the cute little note was so touching. And of course, the makeup has to go on with it. And then Nikhil, thank you so much for such a good, lovely, good-looking sling bag. And the last not the least, Garima for flip-flop and the bag, which I could not show it here, which I didn't have it with me. So thank you so much everyone for being so thoughtful for the same. So we extended our stay for another one day in the this Taj Mansingh property in Delhi. So we thought, let's just stay for another day. And I really want to vouch, the room that we were staying was so pretty, especially it was so scenic outside. There was Parliament House right in front of the hotel. In the room I could see that Sansad Bhavan, India Gate, and it was so beautiful in the night time that it was actually breathtakingly beautiful. And we enjoyed our stay, and the entire Taj Hotel team really made it very special for us. Now it's time to say goodbye to this room and this beautiful property by Taj. I had my birthday here, had a blast, and so amazing. I will always have such fond memories of this place in my head. So in the end, I would like to say thank you for watching the vlog with me. I hope you liked it. As I already said, this vlog is really special to my heart, and it will always remain. And sharing with you all, make it all the more special for me. So, please do watch again and again, because that would give me much really good views. And do subscribe to my channel like you always do. Share and save the link. That would really help to me. And I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.